baseball, it has a big defect. Like, I can put my finger through there. Oops. Foam is coming out. But it has a big defect. I thought it was like, I cut this up in 2 pieces because I thought it was like slow rising inside and like was really squishy, but it isn't. I put glue on this for some reason because I thought it was gonna have like, I put glue and I put it like this, like a swirl, like this swirl, and it's not there. It's synced into the squishy, and the hood's like really glitter, like shiny, kind of, but it's not squishy at all. I can't even squish it that much, but it is kind of squishy. It's like, I see there's a bounce back, but it's not so rising. The next squishy is this football. I got really scared with this one yesterday because I thought it was in my basement and it was on the floor. And there's all these defects like that. It's like bitten marks, and I thought it was like a something, I don't know, or like a raccoon. But this was my niece, my baby niece. Her name is Isabella. She was playing with this yesterday, so that's why all of those are like there. This squishy is really, really defective. Like, what is this right here? As you guys can see, her bite mark right here. She got like 4 teeth. She got 2 down here and 2 up here. So she knows how to bite, and she bites hard because I don't. And one of my fingers, I don't know which one, it hurts. Like, in one of my fingers, I had like 2 teeth marks on one of my fingers. I forgot which one was it. Because she bit me. I was trying to give her a little, what's it called? Baby snack. And I was trying to give it to her. And then she bit me because she thought that my finger was the snack. Yeah. But this one's slow rising. I got this at Dollar Tree. Everybody that has a squishy collection should have one of these, because like that's the first squishy that you see in like dollar stores, like for like $1. So yeah. Quick little story. So, and I bought this. I bought like glues. It was like the Elmer's glues. There was like glitter glues. They was really small. There was the pen ones. So I bought that, and I tried to make slime with it, but I couldn't because you need to put 2 glues. Like, the Dollar Tree's ones are, like, bad. Like, they don't, the Elmer's glue, the Dollar Tree ones, I tried to make slime with it with, obviously the glue and just borax, but it did not make slime. And I had to add some of my other slime and put it in there, and then it will make slime. So yeah, that's a quick story. The next squishy is this squishy. It's from the scented squashies. Scented squashies. Scented squishies. I said scented squishies. Scented squashies. This was $5 at Family Dollar because it was like big. It's like the size of my hand. It is the size of my hand. But I barely can put my whole hand in this. It's big. This used to be like really slow rising. Like, it was like, it was slow rising, but now it isn't. It's like, see that? See that, guys? Get it back. This used to be really slow rising, and the tag came off this because my niece, we was running down and I had this in my hand, and my niece, like, I had it in my hand and then the tag was like out, like right there, and she pushed me, and like she pushed it squishy, well, yeah, she let it fall, and then this was off, and I was really mad at her, and then my mom said, don't worry, we're going to Family Dollar. Next time, make sure to not run with them. And I want to go to Family Dollar, and I want to buy the ice cream. It was like a little small one. It was $3. It was so cute. It was really so rising. I wanted to buy that one. Oh, and there was like a watermelon. It was so slow rising. I was like, is this eye blue? So, yeah. The last squishy that I have is this. This lemon. Really slow rising, but I want it to be more slow rising because it used to be like so much slow rising. So I'm gonna take it out. I put it in this packaging. It smells really good. I really like the smell of this. It smells like something. I don't know what it is. It smells like it smells like fruit or like lotion with like something. This one's really slow rising and soft. I really love this one. I want to go to Dollar Tree to buy more of these, because then the last time I went, there was like this was the only one. Well, there was two, and they were what's it called? They were defected, and there was an orange one, and it was really hard, so I didn't get that one. And this one was the only slow rising one. The orange, I didn't get it because it was like not slow rising at all. It was like this, but it was not slow rising. This one was the only soft and slow rising one, so I got this one. So those are all the squishies that I'm gonna put in the freezer. I'm gonna put it in the freezer for 5 minutes. So yeah, get you guys back when I come back. Okay, so the bag is super duper cold, guys. I'm just gonna open it. So this one's the first one. Okay, so this one's not squishy. This one didn't do anything, so I'm gonna put that aside. So this one got a little bit slow rising. So yeah, I'm gonna put that in the good side. So now the football. That got a little bit more slow rising. So I'll put that in this side. Okay, so now for this one. Nothing at all. So this one. That one got more slow rising, guys. Now for the last one. Okay, so let me take it out. This one's really cold. That's still rising. This one definitely got squishier. I cannot. It's not even rising. That's really slow rising. I love this one. Just love it. I love it. There's just only 2 that didn't work. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just gonna put them back in the bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.